There are elements found within each content folder. Based on the teaching modality your class is in, you may be utilizing some elements over others. The timeline is a visual overview of the week. This can be customized and used according to your course. Tasks for Unit allows you to place the tasks of the week for students. You can go into detail specifying what is expected from students. Learning Material allows you to provide all of the learning material students will be using this week. You can also list videos, articles, and other documents. The discussion is an interactive assessment that can be used to engage with your students. You can have a discussion with your students. Keep in mind, it is a public space, so all of your students can respond to you or their peers. The assignment is the last element in the folder and allows students to submit their weekly assignment here. To edit any element, click on the action link next to the element name and select Edit. This can also be easily accomplished in the timeline. Simply place your cursor within a cell and enter in the content you desire. Make sure to click Submit to save your changes.